Mm. Right, so today I'm gonna do something different, and I'm gonna share with you all what health and beauty products I use on a regular basis. And all these are vegan and cruelty free and available in the UK. So the first one, the first thing you do when you get up, pretty much, toothpaste, brush your teeth. This one's from Sainsbury's, and I think it was about 75p or something like that. Really cheap. This is my favourite shower gel. It's a bit pricey. It's Body Shop. Why won't it focus? But yeah, you can kind of make out the label on it. Frosted Plum shower gel. It smells beautiful. I think that were about £6 or something. But usually I use Original Source. Um, they're vegan and cruelty free, and they've got like natural fragrances in and stuff like that. So yeah, I tend to opt for those, either that or Superdrug Zone, because you can pretty much go into Superdrug and I mean, always double check the labels and stuff if it's not vegan, but they don't, they're their own brand stuff. They don't test on animals. So it's quite a safe bet, really. Deodorant, I've just run out and I've chucked the can away. But I use Superdrug men's deodorant and it works brilliantly. I used to use the Dove one, the blue Dove one for men. And I used to love the smell of it, but Superdrug do some really nice ones as well. For perfume, I only got these recently, and um, well, I did try some ages ago, but I just got into the habit of not wearing perfume. But recently I got I went on a bit of a spree and I got three perfumes from Eden. Basically, Eden Perfumes, they're based in Brighton, but they've got a website, so you can just order off the website. What they do is if you tell them what perfume you normally have, or cologne or aftershave or whatever that you normally have, um, then they will replicate that using vegan ingredients that aren't tested on animals. So you get pretty much the same product, um, and these are like 15 quid each, and they last quite a long time. Um, you get pretty much the same product for cheaper and a cruelty-free version. So like yeah, it's just really good. Um, the only thing is, I've got Angel, Thierry Mugler Angel, or their version of it, and I've got Gucci Guilty, and both smell really like similar. Like you can't tell. Like my old housemate, he walked past me one day and he was like, "Are you wearing Thierry Mugler?" Like no. A, I can't afford it, and B, they're not vegan. So, yeah, it has got. Oh, well, all three of them have got really good compliments. But one of them, I can't remember which one it is now. I think it's this one. Um, I got it for my boyfriend because he wears Dior Savage, however you pronounce it. And yeah, that's like his favorite perfume. So I got him that, and it doesn't smell anything like Dior Salvage. It smells like Lush. So I've just got it because I love the smell of Lush. So yeah. Um, for pretty much like moisturizer and hair treatment and stuff like that, coconut oil, it's pretty standard. Um, you can use it for anything. I use it for like after I've got tattooed, and for moisturizer, for a hair mask, I just soak my hair in coconut oil and then leave it overnight. And I've only just started to do that again because my hair was absolutely fucked. You can probably see in my recent videos, like it's really, really dry. And it looks a bit dry today because I've not washed it for a few days, and I've not been tying it up when I go to sleep, which is a bit naughty, but yeah, but it has sorted it out quite a lot. The other thing I use now and then is Olaplex No. 3. That's vegan and cruelty free as well. Um, but it's very, very expensive. Um, so yeah, but I would recommend that because it's supposed to repair the bonds in your hair. If you can't afford Olaplex, then I would try Jplex by Jerome Russell. I've only found this in one Superdrug so far, but it's like, I think it's like £9 or something. And it pretty much does the same job as Olaplex. It's really good. So for another moisturizer, I tend to use Superdrug Vitamin E um, moisturizer. It comes in a big tub. I can't remember how much it was, probably about £3 or something. And yeah, that's really good. It smells lovely as well. For face wash and that, I use Dr. Organic. Not very good at this, am I? Yeah, I use Dr. Organic face wash and scrub. I didn't know anything about Dr. Organic until my friend told me about them, and she bought me them for Christmas or my birthday. I can't remember. Christmas, I think. And yeah, like they're really good, and they don't have any harsh chemicals in them, which is good as well. And the scrub, it's very exfoliating without like taking layers of your skin off, and the wash is more like an everyday kind of thing. I didn't really like spend a lot of time on skincare and stuff until probably about 6 months ago, because I'm 27 now, and I just thought I might have to start like washing my face properly. So yeah, that's it. Dry shampoo. I think one of the reasons why my hair looks a bit dry today is because I've got dry shampoo in, so I use Batiste or the Superdrug one again. That's really good. They've got a few different ones that are decent. Fake tan. I'm not really the kind of girl that can be asked to put fake tan on a lot of the time. But at the same time, I'm trying not to go on sunbeds and stuff because that's not very good for you, is it? So I've been using this one called Sunkissed. That was from Savers. I think it was like £3. And it develops in, well, it says 60 minutes, but I leave it on for about 3 hours. So I find that gives the best result. So makeup, to prime my face, I use this Makeup Revolution Pro Base. That's from Superdrug as well. Pretty much everything I've got is from Superdrug. Makeup Revolution eyeshadows as well from Superdrug because I'm a cheap bitch. More eyeshadows from Superdrug. That's MUA. That's to spray on your face after you've done your makeup to apparently hold it all in place and give it a dewy finish. Makeup Revolution, that lipstick, that was about £2. Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil thing. If it will focus, come on. Oh, this is so annoying. Can you see that? Basically, it's just like a double-ended eyebrow brush, and I like to just brush my eyelashes with the brush first, and then flip it over, and then pencil them in. Put some eyeshadow on the brush, or some eyebrow eyeshadow, whatever you call it, and do that. As you can tell, I'm very professional. I think this was £1. MUA. Amplify Statement Lash from Superdrug. Oh, something expensive. Illamasqua Skin Base. I do really like this foundation, if you can fucking see it. I do really like this foundation, but sometimes because I've got combination skin, it makes my skin a bit oily. But to be honest, day to day these days, I don't really wear much makeup, if any. It's just when I can be bothered, really. So for blusher, I've got MUA Pixel Perfect blusher. That's really good. And sorry, to put my foundation on, I've got a foundation brush like that. I don't even know if that's a foundation brush. I've just got that. That's what I use, and it works for me. That's from Poundland. No, it's not from Poundland. It's from Primark. Same thing. Begins with P, doesn't it? I think that was £2. I used to put my foundation on with my fingers before, but yeah. This is from Poundland. This eyeliner. I don't know if it's ever going to focus on anything that isn't my head. Where is it? Anyway, so that's liquid liner from Poundland. That's actually really good. It stays on for ages. I like these also from MUA from Superdrug. I would say I'm not sponsored by them, but I don't have enough followers and everything to, be sponsored by them. So, that I'm not like receiving payment from anybody for this. These brushes, to be honest, I've got loads of brushes like with this kind of rose gold thing. The synthetic brushes off eBay, and they were about, God, how much were they? About £3 or £4, and I think I got like 12 brushes in them, which is really good. That's about it. I did have a lip liner, but as you've probably guessed, that is MUA as well. Because I don't want to spend a lot of money on makeup, and yeah, I just don't see the point. If it does the job, it doesn't matter how much money it costs, does it? So I think that's about everything. Oh yeah, and for blonde hair, I would recommend a purple shampoo toner thing called Fudge. It comes in like a bluey purpley bottle, well, like a squeezy bottle, like that big, and like that big. And it was about a tenner, but it lasts ages. Like I've had the same bottle for about 2 years. So yeah, that is really good. But I am trying to grow my bleached hair out now because like it's a horrible colour at the minute. But I've been to the hairdressers a couple of times over the space of like a week, and the first one ruined my hair extensions, and my clipping hair extensions. I don't have any attached to my real hair. And the second one just dyed it and made it look even worse than what it was when I walked in. So I'm giving it a rest now, and I'm just going to grow it out and then just not bleach it anymore. If you do bleach your hair though, I would use Jerome Russell developer and bleach powder. That's what I used. And then Superdrug do their own brand of hair dyes as well. So if you wanted a platinum blonde over the bleached hair, I don't know. To be honest, I feel a bit like shitty recommending stuff like that because it does really knacker your hair up. Speaking from years and years of experience. So yeah, but that's pretty much all my favourite cruelty-free and vegan beauty and health products. I hope it's been helpful, and thank you for watching.